What's going on, everybody? It's Rock from Flip the Thrift, and we're checking in with a new video ready to go to the thrift store. So let's go. All right, guys, so I just uploaded a video. See if I can speak today. I just uploaded a video today. Been very busy lately. I've been kind of transitioning over into doing I'm trying to get rid of a lot of the listings that I have on eBay. I have over 7,000 listings. If any of yous are really looking to get things really cheap, check out the link down below. You can find my store, and I have my Poshmark. I have everything there. It doesn't matter. All you really need to do is just go to the eBay store. And for those of you that are just tuning in, my name is Rocco. I live in Pennsylvania. I'm originally from Philly, and I reside out here now in Duncannon, PA. What I do is I go to thrift stores, estate sales, yard sales, any type of sale that I can go to where I can buy things really cheap and flip them online for a profit. All right, guys, here we are. There it is. Let's go inside. All right, guys, so we kind of hit the jackpot on the CDs. There's a lot of there's just a lot of Rough Riders, and there's just really good hip hop in here. It kind of sucks that they're $2 a piece, but it's all good. Also, there's a lot of good shoes in here. I'm gonna have to go through them. There's a pair of Jordans. These are the 91 Flight Clubs. They're really big, and they only resell, I think, for they're a size 15. If they were my size, I would spend, because they're in really good shape to where I could clean them up, I would probably buy them for myself, but they're way too big for me. So I'm gonna check over the shoes. There's another little pair of bread. I think these are the Breads. They're $8. They're not gonna sell for that much, but I'm definitely gonna look over the shoes. I don't know, guys, there's a lot of them. Check out these Hush Puppies. They are really cool. They have like a gold, they're like a brown suede. A lot of them are big too. Like somebody had a Bigfoot, and they had a big wallet too. Check out these Polos. They want $12 for them. I don't have a pair of these listed. They're too big. So I think I'm gonna leave them because of how big the sizes are, but not really seeing anything else. There you go. There's some Air Forces. Got some Air Forces. They need too much cleaning. Look at this hurt piece, guys. Check this out. These are all SAS, but look at the price on them. Those are nice. There's one pair, two pair, 3, 4, 5. They even have these ones that you slip on and have the little pull toggle or whatever that's called. And then there's another pair here. $12 a pair for these. Maybe if they were half off, but they're blue, and I think half off today is yellow or something. Not gonna happen. All right, we do have this Karl Lagerfeld. It's $30. If it was half off, I'd probably chance it. The selfie rate's not great, but it is brand new with tags. It's a wool blend. It's a beautiful coat. It just needs a good, it needs my sticky friend to fix it, but I'm gonna pass. This is actually a really nice Borvis jacket. It's actually beautiful. It's in great condition. It's a women's. It's a big size. It's a size 14. I think it's like a fishing type of outdoor, but if it was 5, I would get it if it was half off, but it's gonna be $10. It's just too much to invest. I think it's only gonna sell for 30. This is cool too, guys. Haven't found anything yet, but we're gonna keep looking. It's an Old Navy skull vest. It's like a children's, I think. I think it's a youth size, but we're looking at the vest. We already covered this whole area of jackets. I didn't see anything that was really worth picking up, so we're gonna keep looking. Guys, don't ask me why I'm looking at all the jackets, because some of the jackets can be really valuable. This is a really nice, it's an Eddie Bauer goose down leather trench. I think I could probably get 100 for it, but they want 25. But there's some fading up here in the corner. There's a lot of distress at the bottom. If it was in perfect condition, then I would pay the 25, because then I know I could get at least 100 for it, but I just don't want to invest the 25 in it, but I'm spending money on CDs. So we're going to do the rest of these jackets, and we'll get the jeans. I'm just kind of skipping through The polos, I'm not really paying much attention to them. I'm just looking for ones that stand out. So basically, I'm just showing you what I think is cool and I'm not buying. It's $4.99. Yeah, I'm not going to buy it, but it is a vintage Adidas. It is pretty dope. It's got some leather cracking on it. I'm just going to leave it. If it was in better condition, I'd probably grab it. So this is definitely going to be for the personal. $3.99 for this Russell. They usually say they have the little Russell. Russell's been around for a long time. I think they've been around longer than Champion. For $4, you guys know how I love these crew neck sweatshirts. This thing is like crispy, clean, perfect. So it might be a little bit big. If it doesn't fit me, it will definitely fit my son, my youngest son. Me and him love our crew necks. So the first scoop for the resale, found this Marlboro hoodie. People are listing it up to $40. I can get it for $5, and I'll probably realistically sell it for $25, maybe a little bit more. It is in really good condition. I'm going to overlook it and make sure there's as long as there's no stains on it, I'll pick it up. The sell-through rate is ridiculous. I'm going to record this and I'm going to send this to my wife. We were just watching, we're watching Saul, Better Call Saul. It's like a spin-off of Breaking Bad. Check out this jacket. He was getting a suit sized. It's called, when you get your suit sized, it is called Bespoke. Check this out. Look at that, honey. 170s. That's a really, really high-end suit. This is a Hickey Freeman. And look at that tag. That's like a new tag. So I'm going to look for the pants to this jacket, because if I can get this as a suit for $14, I can definitely sell this for probably $100 or way more.